Hi, Paul. So, in answer to your question, the short answer is yes, you can change the image. Long answer will be that there's a little bit more to it. It's not as simple as a simple piece of CSS code, but I'll try to step you through it. I hope it doesn't get too bad. I don't think it's that bad, but just follow the directions. Again, the PayPal link is here, and we're wanting to change the image to something with checkout with PayPal. I have an image that shows more credit card than the words PayPal, and it says checkout with PayPal, so it kind of infers, hey, use your credit card through PayPal. But you can use whatever image, and I'll explain what I'm doing there. So for me, I have the image stored on one of my personal servers. So that's the example I'm going to use, but you will need to be able to reference an image, whether it be off of PayPal servers or you download it and use it on your own and use that address. I'll go over that in a second. So what you want to do, again, we are going to be editing the theme, not the actual shopping cart. And you're going to need to have two areas. One, you have to put in the custom header section some code, and I will try to step it through here. I know that looks like a little bit of a jumble. Um, we'll try to separate this out so it looks a little more readable, and I will explain what I'm doing here. Okay, so essentially what this is doing is this is creating a function for later use, because the problem with the images is that you have to change the image after the page is completely loaded. So you create a function and then you call the function after the images get loaded. And the way you do that is you create the function in the header and then you create a call to the function in the footer. So here's what you do. Each of these lines, if you'll notice, there are two images. So there's two images of the same image, but they are two separate elements, and for that reason, they actually have to be referenced separately. The way that they're referenced separately is by this number here, 0, and this number here, 1. So these are identical lines with the exception that you have the number 0 and the number 1. The number 0 represents that image there. The number 1 represents the second one down here. And I am going to put in the image for PayPal I just uploaded, which is pp checkout.jpg. So pp checkout.jpg, and I'll do the same thing here. Okay, so essentially that's it. I wish they let you draw this down a bit. I'm going to bring this back in so you can see the whole thing. Okay, this is the whole thing of code. So you have a script tag and you have a script closing tag. You have something that defines the function. So you got function, and I called it do it. And then everything between these curly braces are the actual function. And all this is two element selectors that assign the new image to the source property of each. Then what you have to do is you have to call that function when the form's loaded, so it's usually easiest to do that in the footer. So again, a script tag, and we want to also make sure we close that script, and then we simply directly call do it, and we save these. And now let's go back. Now you see PayPal. Now, okay, so that image that I downloaded is a bit big, but you can see the point. If I resize that image to be a lot smaller, it will fit in just nicely, and it would be whatever image you wanted. Of course, you'd be responsible for making sure it's the right size for you, but as long as it's about the same size as the other one, you shouldn't have any problems. So that's how you change the image. And I hope that's helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in converting your clients now. Thanks.